Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to enable right click on your Mac. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to subscribe and like the video. The steps are the same for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, and Mac Mini. First, open System Settings on your Mac. Now, click on Trackpad. After that, select Point and Click. Here, find the secondary click option. Turn it on if it is disabled. You can also choose how you want to right-click, such as clicking with two fingers on the trackpad. And that's it. Right-click is now enabled on your Mac. You can test it by clicking with two fingers anywhere on the trackpad. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.